Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville, the capital of Manchester, and this is the largest town in central Jamaica. Now today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Mandeville Hotel. Well, it's actually more of a renovation because they closed the hotel to fix it up and expand it. Now, when the highway opened from Kingston to Mandeville, a lot more activity or developments started in Mandeville, and this is one of them. So, can you imagine if they had a highway from, say, the north coast, say Discovery Bay to Mandeville, or if the highway from Montego Bay to Mandeville was finished? There's a highway that would go from Montego Bay to Black River, then Black River back to Kingston, so it would connect to Mandeville. So highways are very important to the development of Jamaica. Any town that is on the highway network or has access to the highway network does very well. So we are going to give you an update as to what is happening here. The Mandeville Hotel, one of Manchester's most well-known landmarks, is currently undergoing a major renovation amid it aimed at restoring its relevance and extending its lifespan. For decades, the hotel served as a hub for business travelers, social events, and community gatherings in central Jamaica. However, aging infrastructure and changing hospitality standards made extensive upgrades necessary. The renovation is focused on modernizing guest rooms, improving utilities such as plumbing and electrical systems, and upgrading common areas including the lobby and meeting spaces. These improvements are intended to meet current expectations for comfort, efficiency, and safety while preserving the hotel's historic character. Beyond the building itself, the project has wider economic significance for Mandeville. Construction activity provides short-term employment, and once reopened, the hotel is expected to support long-term jobs and stimulate surrounding businesses. A renewed Mandeville Hotel also strengthens the town's position as a regional center for conferences and domestic tourism. When completed, the renovation is expected to return the hotel as a functional and symbolic anchor in Mandeville, blending heritage with modern hospitality needs. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.